Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cupcakes for beginners. First, gather your essential ingredients like all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Don't forget unsalted butter, large eggs, milk, and vanilla extract. It's crucial that your butter and eggs are at room temperature. This helps them combine smoothly, creating a wonderfully consistent batter for your delicious treats. Now, let's mix that batter. Begin by creaming together your softened butter and sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy, usually for about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, beat in your large eggs one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Finally, alternate adding your dry ingredients with the milk, starting and ending with the dry mixture for a perfectly blended batter. Time to bake. Carefully fill your cupcake liners about 2/3 full. This prevents them from overflowing and ensures a nice dome. Place them in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for approximately 18 to 22 minutes. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center of a cupcake. If it comes out clean, they are ready to enjoy. Almost there. Once baked, let your cupcakes cool in the pan for about 5 to 10 minutes. This helps them firm up before you transfer them. Then, gently move them to a wire rack to cool completely. This step is super important. Only apply your favorite frosting once the cupcakes are entirely cool, otherwise, your beautiful frosting will melt right off.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.